Hi all, welcome to our channel. Guys, who are first time is watching my videos, listen carefully and follow the steps what we are explain. The steps we can follow easily. You can get the good traffic on your website from the Google My Business option. Yeah, first of all, it is coming to your any kind of website. We have the Google My Business will be there. Any business location, first of all, we can selecting will be two options. One is called, we have to first of all create by the post option. Posting purpose, we compulsory follow the in your particular posting reach is important. You can see new views this week 5345. Reach more customer through post. When you click this option, what are this? An individual post, all posts from the last week, all posts from the last month. They all will be here. Post received the no views. You don't have any post. The summary shows the number of times your posts we are viewed over the last week. If you are the following occurred, the views won't show in this summary. So compulsory they will be checking your option. The poster will be work out, getting traffic or business and calls also. First of all, selecting will be particular any kind of YouTube thumbnail size, Instagram size, anything you select and make a design by the users. So how to design? Select this image, upload your particular option. So we can setting will be here with the logo, without logo. We have two futures are there with logo or without logo. So I'm selecting this future with the logo option. So yeah, this will be with logo. So what will happen? So they will be compare will be misunderstand for this one. So that is the reason we can selecting for without logo option. After this one, where our logo will be here, logo will be added. So yeah, indoor swimming pool. So affecting, we can use this. Particular option. Next option. Then this. Add your logo. Next, you can add your strip. Why purpose of strip is called, I'll tell you. The strip will be shown to the particular customers. It will be happening. Season. Swim. They will mention for your particular website link. seasonsing.com. See, indoor swimming pool in Hyderabad in Hyderabad. Near to Amir Page. SR Nagar. So we can easily understanding for places. Usability, Moti Nagar, Borobanda. We can use this particular places, particular options, particular text. Near to Amir Page, SR Nagar, Sanad Nagar, Musapet, Motina, and Borobanda. So any other locations are there? We can add by the. We can add this and click for share. this particular location and publish it. So it is done. What we can do this, we can post this content. What are the content you're selecting will be here. Same content will be here. Coaching center by expert, anything will be add in your option. Copy this feature. So anything you find will be rejected will be here. Compulsory you can go with delete that particular post. Don't waste your particular time will be here. So we can using this option now. Select this content will be notepad. So we can go with copy. Post we have to literally finishing for every stage is important. The image creation is more powerful by the getting for customers. We have branches will be recognized there. Click for in this copy and click for book option and select this future. I'll show one more option also in this what we can use this future. Click for it is and this is a content for it and link will be using click for publish this option. So now publish is done. Next, same image, post in the content. So it will be using for particular thing. Everything is perfect. So we can go for download. Copy. Any features are missing, we can go with the features. Yeah. I'll be selecting notepad. Just you can add in for learning types. Simple. I have the add little bit features. Why I'm adding for little features? People will be here. This we can adding for call now button option. Previous I'm adding for website button. Now we're adding for call button. So that is mean by we can increase call from Google My Business option. And you can check it out. Image. Click for publish. Now, after this one, go to photos. Now, add your particular photos. What are the photos you design right now? The photos you can select it, click for publish it. So it will be done by your particular post. It will be done by what are the things areas you will be promote. The post will be done by your particular things. And what are the reviews you will be get from your particular business? We can give for thank you for valuable feedback. We can give for check for it. Anything you will be missing from in this, you can use from the particular version. Thank you for your valuable feedback. So we can change. Thank you for your valuable feedback. So we can go. A good place to beginners. Extensive main coaching well maintained here. Now click. These are the particular reply file we can give to the particular customers. Don't forget the photos and what are the videos are there. Select by the videos in a particular appropriate designs. Any videos are there, we can go to simple, go to video folder. What are the locations you will be promoting? The location we can select. Where is the videos are there? Here is the video. So videos are must and should important to particular users. So we can use and check for the photo or video. Which one we can have? Can upload by the in this particular option. This is also particular video. The upload will be video option. So what is the interior location, exterior, and at work? What is the team identity? So everything will be given by the in a particular option. So this is the way regular posting important. Post in this purpose, we have number of options are there. COVID-19 update, don't do this. Any offer will be running, promote offer. What's new, we can use in your particular regular post. Any event, you can publish the event. Any product selling, we can go to sale will be products from the Google My Business location. We can promoting offers. Emails will be 10 accept, offer title, start date, end date, show more details, offer details, coupon code, link to random offer, terms and conditions. Product selling will be here. We can add only one photo, product name, category, product category. We can use the product category will be up to 50 characters, product price, product discount price, product description, optional nothing but that will be order online, buy, learn more, get offer. Mark as a special, click for publish this feature. So there is a number of options are there. What's new we can regularly use. Don't click for COVID-19 update. What's new? Select image. 10 image will accept and create your post, everything. And once again, remember, this is the lot of big mistake for every user will can do. What happened? I'll explain. Once you add image, any image you can add once. The image will be crap, nothing but we can extract image will be compulsory important. Any image will upload will be here. Extract is compulsory important. We use this future. After we can go to publish this option. When you go to the post option, the scrap will be expand, and after that you can add title and link and publish your content. Follow these instructions and publish the content in your particular Google Map location. Final thing is called anyone searching your particular Google My Business. How we can show to customer? We can go to here. We can number of places here. Here my latest post is a call now. When you click for book now option, they go to website traffic. Call now is working for mobile phones, and this will be working for website. Both will be compulsory important for regular posting. Call now option and the website posting. So which is better? When you go to the website link, you will be read the content. They can see the phone number. If you click the call button, they write call as the all information about the your particular business, a particular service. So compared to the both, we can using both option simultaneously. Day by day, we can shift the options used by the call button and your particular website link option. This is you can follow regular update for Google My Business on your particular website. If any other questions about Google My Business, please ask me to channel and definitely will be clarify your doubts. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.